Hello everyone! Today I am going to show you how to make a Newton's Cradle game using simple materials. This project helps us understand the laws of motion in a fun and practical way. So, let's get started! Step 1. Making the frame. To make this project, we will need 6 marbles, cardboard, bamboo sticks, and fabric yarn. First, cut 2 pieces of cardboard according to the given measurements. Leave a 2 centimeter gap and cut out the middle part. Then, cut 2 more pieces of cardboard following the same measurements. Then, cut 2 more pieces of cardboard following the same measurements. Next, make 2 holes on both ends of the cardboard pieces. Assemble the frame as shown in the video. Insert the bamboo sticks through the holes on both sides and make sure they are parallel to each other. Step 2. Setting up the marble balls. First, take a marble and some fabric thread. Wrap the thread around the marble and secure it with glue at one end, as shown in the video. Make 6 marble balls in the same way by following the video. Step 3. Final assembly. Now, insert the 6 marbles one by one onto the bamboo stick and arrange them evenly. Keep a 2 centimeter distance between each marble. Finally, fix the top ends of the threads using superglue. Our Newton's Cradle game is now ready. As you can see, our Newton's Cradle game is working properly. When one marble is lifted and released, the energy transfers through the other balls. This demonstrates Newton's third law of motion. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.